We are living in an unprecedented time, a time when restaurants, retail stores, and hotels are under increased scrutiny regarding their cleanliness and role in public health and safety. As cleaning standards evolve and new requirements emerge, how can you be certain that your cleaning, housekeeping, and maintenance staff understand what is expected of them and what is needed to support your brand and its ability to recover? With the advent of smartphones and HD portable cameras, and the fact that more than 90% of adults have a smartphone, video is proven to be the most effective and efficient form of training. So how can you leverage the power of video to engage, educate, and empower your cleaning, housekeeping, and maintenance teams? With Hughes' suite of world-class solutions, there are lots of options. Through Breakroom TV, an employee-facing digital signage solution, you can provide critical updates and procedural information to your staff throughout the day, letting them learn in a more relaxed manner while they're taking a break or just simply walking by. You can also keep frontline staff informed when they're on the go. Through Hughes Media Training, a cloud-based training and learning application. From any internet-enabled device, they can access training videos, documents, and images, track course progress and completion, and pause and resume content on demand. For new compliance and certification requirements, your ability to train staff members anywhere and anytime they need it will be key. As your brand decides how it will adapt, Hughes' digital signage and training solutions can enable your cleaning, housekeeping, and maintenance staff to see, hear, and learn what it will take to stand up to increased scrutiny. And you can be confident that you've equipped them with the ability to create the environment and experience your customers will expect from your brand.